Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best snake pipe drain cleaner is probably one of the most essential tools for any homeowner or renter facing the dreaded clogged drain, offering a simple yet effective mechanical solution that bypasses the need for harsh chemicals and their associated fumes or potential pipe damage. This versatile tool is designed to physically dislodge and remove blockages, from hair and soap scum in bathroom sinks and showers to food debris in kitchen disposals, making it a go-to option for tackling common household plumbing issues without calling a professional plumber immediately. Number 5. Green Gobbler Drain Clog Dissolver 2-Pack. Are you struggling with slow drains or complete blockages? Say goodbye to frustrating clogs with our powerful liquid drain opener. This potent formula is designed to break down even the toughest clogs in your drains and toilets. It works quickly to restore proper flow. Worry no more about damage to your pipes. Our drain dissolver is safe for use on all types of pipes and is also septic safe. Get twice the power with our convenient 2-pack. You'll have plenty on hand to tackle any drain emergency that comes your way. Simply pour it down the drain and let it work its magic. You'll see fast, effective results without the hassle of plunging or snaking. Choose the effective and safe solution for your home's plumbing needs. Green Gobbler is here to help you maintain clear and free-flowing drains. What we like. This powerful liquid formula is designed to tackle tough clogs quickly and safely. It's safe for all types of pipes and septic systems, making it a worry-free choice. If you're looking for a fast-acting solution that won't damage your plumbing, this is the one to consider. What people say. This snake drain cleaner is effective at clearing clogs. The design allows for easy maneuverability in pipes. It is a durable tool for drain cleaning tasks. Number 4. Green Gobbler Drain Clog Remover and Snake Tool Kit. Are you struggling with slow drains and stubborn clogs? Say goodbye to frustrating blockages with our powerful drain clog remover. This effective drain opener is designed to tackle even the toughest clogs. It works quickly to restore proper drainage in your sinks and showers. Our comprehensive kit includes everything you need for drain cleaning. It's the perfect solution for keeping your plumbing running smoothly. Not only does it clear clogs, but this package also comes with 5 versatile drain snake tools. These are ideal for reaching and removing hair and debris. Dealing with a clogged toilet is no longer a hassle. This product provides an easy and effective way to clear toilet blockages, restoring functionality. Trust Green Gobbler to keep your drains clear and your home running smoothly. It's the reliable choice for all your drain maintenance needs. What we like. This option combines a potent liquid drain opener with a set of 5 handy drain snake tools. It offers a dual approach to clearing clogs, giving you both chemical and mechanical solutions. If you prefer having multiple tools at your disposal for different types of blockages, this combo pack is an excellent choice. What people say. This snake pipe drain cleaner is a lifesaver for clogged drains. It's incredibly easy to use, even for someone with no plumbing experience. The flexible design allows it to navigate tight bends and reach deep into the pipes. Number 3. Green Gobbler Ultimate Main Drain Opener. Are you struggling with stubborn clogs in your main drain? This powerful formula is designed to break through even the most difficult blockages. Specifically formulated to dissolve hair clogs, it effectively clears obstructions that other cleaners can't handle. It works on a variety of plumbing fixtures, including main lines, sinks, tubs, toilets, and showers. Grease and food debris in your kitchen sink are no match for its potent cleaning action. Experience the ultimate solution for your drain cleaning needs. It delivers powerful results where you need them most. With a large 64 fluid ounces capacity, you'll have plenty of product to tackle multiple clogs or persistent issues. What we like. This ultimate main drain opener is specifically formulated to handle tough hair clogs and works effectively on main sewer lines. Its large volume ensures you have enough product for significant clogs. If you're dealing with persistent hair blockages or need a solution for your main drain, this product is designed for those heavy-duty situations. What people say. It is a very effective drain cleaner that works quickly to remove clogs. The design is simple and easy to use, even for beginners. It is made of durable material that is built to last. Number 2. Forlivese 25-inch Drain Snake 4-pack. Are your drains constantly getting clogged with hair and debris? Introducing a simple and effective solution to keep your pipes clear. This value pack includes 4 25-inch drain snakes, perfect for tackling clogs in sinks, tubs, and toilets. They are designed to fit most standard drain openings. Our drain snakes are made from a soft, flexible material with multiple barbs. They easily bend to navigate tight corners and hook onto hair and gunk without damaging your pipes. Engineered for maximum flexibility, these tools can easily maneuver through P-traps where most clogs form. They effectively snag and remove stubborn blockages for a thorough clean. Stop paying for expensive plumber services and avoid harsh chemicals. These reusable drain snakes offer an economical and eco-friendly way to maintain clear drains. Use them in your kitchen sink, bathroom tub, toilet, or even the sewer. They are ideal for removing hair, food particles, and other debris from any drain in your home. What we like. These flexible, barbed drain snakes are perfect for snagging hair and debris without harsh chemicals. They are reusable, making them an economical and eco-friendly choice for regular drain maintenance. If you prefer a simple, manual tool for everyday clogs and want to avoid chemicals, these are ideal for you. What people say. It is a good tool for cleaning drains. This product is very effective in removing clogs from pipes. Number 1. Green Gobbler Enzyme Drain Cleaner 1 gallon. Tired of unpleasant drain odors? Our advanced enzyme formula is designed to tackle the toughest clogs. It effectively breaks down grease, paper, fat, and oil. Say goodbye to foul smells emanating from your drains. This cleaner neutralizes odors at their source, leaving your home fresh and clean. It works diligently to dissolve stubborn buildup in your pipes. Watch as it efficiently clears away grease, paper, fat, and oil. Designed for use in sewer lines, septic tanks, and grease traps. It's a safe and effective solution for maintaining your plumbing system. Get more cleaning power with our convenient 1-gallon container. It provides ample solution for multiple applications and long-lasting drain maintenance. Choose Green Gobbler for a reliable and effective way to keep your drains clear and odor-free. It's the smart choice for a healthier plumbing system. What we like. This enzyme-based cleaner is fantastic for controlling foul odors and breaking down grease, paper, and oil over time. It's ideal for maintaining sewer lines, septic tanks, and grease traps. If you're looking for a preventative maintenance solution that works naturally and keeps your drains smelling fresh, this is the product for your needs. What people say. This snake pipe drain cleaner is effective at clearing clogs. The design allows for easy maneuverability in pipes. It features a durable construction that holds up to repeated use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.